Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this tablet. I'm going to start off by saying, because of some moron working here that changes the settings that I don't even bother actually figuring out what they're changing, I won't be actually able to to show you the recorded result because I have no actual idea where it's getting saved to. It almost appears as though it's getting poofed out of existence, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So let's actually get straight into the recording. So swipe down from the top of your screen and find the screen recording toggle, but for me it is right over here. If you don't see it right away, you can swipe in this specific area and this will extend the list, so you can now swipe down on it and it should be somewhere there. Anyway, once you see it, you can just tap on it and you can see we have three options. We have settings, the record, and the close. In settings, we have the option for quality of recording, so like a resolution, for instance. Then we have sound, you can choose whichever sound you want, and display touch position, which just records a semi-transparent dot wherever your finger was touching the display. Now we're gonna start recording, and you can see it's telling us that the screen is being recorded. From here we can open up some kind of applications, record those, and from there we can close whatever you want to do. And when you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay. Click on the circle there. This will automatically save it, as you can see, and this normally gets saved to your Photos application, which I'll open up right now just so I can see what I was bitching about just a moment ago. Photos, what am I looking for? There we go. So we're in a Photos tab, which I believe actually we should have the content visible in here. I'm also going to check if there's something to change. Nope. Under collections, you should be able to navigate here and find your screen recording under in screenshots, or most certainly in videos. Now the newest one is from a couple days ago, even though I have genuinely literally just captured the video and it's chronologically organized. See the date. Date is the 18th. For some reason it's not visible as like there is nothing on the 18th. So like I said, some dipshit here can't seem to figure out that he isn't the only one working here, changing settings, and just refuses to change them back. So for me to fix this, I would need to reset the device, because that's the easiest way. What I can do to actually showcase this, because like I said, for you, this will be visible somewhere in here, and that's without a question. But you can play it back, so I'm just going to do it in this moronic way. So I'm going to start recording, stop, and click on this. And this opens up the screen recording. Now nothing was happening, you can just kind of see that it's playing back. And you know what, while I'm here and I'm already in my kind of annoyed mode, I am gonna check the info for this. So open feedbacks, no. View in, no, that's not what I want. I want to know where that is saved. But apparently I can't. I guess I can't figure it out where the... Oh, there we go. So it's in storage 0 pictures screen recorder. Cool. So come on, go back. We should have a album called Screen Recorder here. We don't. And more annoyingly, it's actually cutting out whatever is below here, which is just great design. Screenshots here. Again, nothing here. Screenshots. Screen recorder. Found it! So like I said, normally this would not be in like some retarded position like it is right now. It would be visible right here. So that's where you should be looking for, not like some wonky places like I was just right now. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.